The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 15. Drawing is about looking. To make your drawing meaningful, to represent what you see and express your impression of it, you need to really observe the thing you are trying to draw. It's easy to draw what you think you see and not what is actually in front of you. To draw from life, really look at the scene or object in front of you. This doesn't mean you must make photographically accurate drawings. Even if you want to make an abstract drawing, it's good to understand the thing you are trying to represent or explain as a drawing. Take time to analyze the thing in front of you. Break it into parts, sections, connections, patterns, proportions. The more you look, the more you'll understand. By learning and rehearsing shapes, lines and patterns, the more easily you will be able to break down the thing you are studying into simple parts that come together to make your finished drawings. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a wristwatch? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.